Labas lang na itong bagong Vivo X300 FE. And this is a global variant ng smartphone ni Vivo. And I'm pretty sure na hindi naman lahat ng tao ay techie. Knowing how to install everything properly, yung kanyang pinaka-initial setup. And today in this video, we'll run you down on how to set it up properly itong Origin OS 6 natin inside the Vivo X300 FE or other Vivo na smartphone running Origin OS. That's version 6. So let's get it started. So ito guys, pag boot up nyo, ito makita ninyo. Let's start. So since naka-English naman siya, unlike China ROM na naka-Chinese, so wala ka ng problema dito from the start. If you want to know how to install naman sa China ROM, I also did a video. Just search nyo na lang sa aking channel. So let's start Origin OS. So since naka-Philippines na siya, just choose your own country kung nasaan ka. Agree ka lang dito kahit ayaw mo mag-agree. Now, here's the tricky part na ang dami sa inyo siguro medyo malilito dito, no? Kasi marami sa inyo, I'm pretty sure merong smartphone na paglilipatan na lumang phone ninyo. Either you have a Android or a iPhone. So pipiliin nyo lang to kung Android, scan mo lang QR, no? Or pipiliin mo lang to kung iPad, kukunik ka sa network. Now, skip muna tayo since we're installing this as a new phone. So, I'll just key in yung network natin. Connect ka lang sa Wi-Fi nyo. Now, once connected, next ka na. So, you'll get your phone ready. This one, medyo mag-antay ka ng konti na kasi nasa setup siya. And next is to key in your Google account. Now, since nakapasok na tayo dito, just simply key in your username and password. Now, after mo mag-key ng password mo, depende kung sino gagamit, no? Anak mo, ikaw. Ako gagamit. So, next. So, welcome. Agree ka lang. Kahit hindi ka nag-agree, wala ka namang choice. So, you get your account info. Antay ka lang konti. So, pinapapili tayo, no? Kung either you want to use fingerprint, face, or screen lock. So, since I'm just setting this one up para makita ninyo, normally, I'll go for fingerprint. Pero, tsaka ko na i-set up. Mabilis lang yan. Makita mo naman lahat ng instruction. So, copy apps and data. Depende sa inyo. Lahat ng everything na nakasave sa cloud ninyo, papasok dito. Medyo matagal to. So, I'll skip muna. Don't copy muna sa akin. Okay? So, okay lang. Use your location, phone numbers. So, ulitin na natin, mga tos, install updates. Automatic mo na yan. Sarili na siya. Don't back up no, sa akin kasi I'm just, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Sa inyo, I suggest na i-backup nyo. Lalo kung marami kayong mga photos and videos na gusto nyo yung backup. Lalo kung malaki yung cloud storage, backup lang kayo. So, continue setup. Continue ka lang. No? So, let contacts. Find nearby. Okay lang. Walang problema to. Kasi dati pa mag-install, setup, madali lang. Ngayon, it gets more complicated, lalo with AI. So ito, Hey Google, depende sa inyo, no? If you want to use Hey Google as a assistant, agree ka. Kung ayaw mo, skip ka lang. So, agree. Okay lang to. So, anything else, depende sa inyo, no? Pwede ka mag-add another email account, palaki mo phone size mo, depende, no? Kung medyo hirap kayo magbasa na maliliit, go for a bigger. So, I'll just use the default. Pwede kang mag-add ng apps, change wallpaper, depende po rin. Done for now muna tayo para makita na natin yung Origin OS 6. So, this might take a little while again kasi pinapolish na niya yung final step. Getting your phone ready. Ayan. So, okay ka na lang. I don't think there's any problem dito. Mga services lang ni Vivo to. Then, I'm sure next tatanong nga magsa-sign in ka sa Vivo account. Skip ka muna. Kung meron ka, key-in mo lang. Ito, I suggest full screen gesture ka na. Huwag ka na mag-navigation. Kasi hindi mo magagamit ang full screen goodness mo. So, yan. You're all set up. Enter Origin OS. So, yan. This is how you set up your Origin OS. Now, next is to just simply check your settings. If there's anything na gusto mo kalikutin. So, you can turn to dark mode if you want. Yan. Auto brightness. Suggest ko naka-on ang auto brightness. Then, auto lock. Mas suggest ko lagyan mo either 2 to 5 minutes. No? Para mas matagal, mag-off yung screen mo kasi minsan 30 seconds, di ko pa tapos mag-type, nagpahinga ka lang ng 30 seconds, mag-off na siya. Now, next is to check yung kanyang resolution. Kung gusto mo mas tipid ng battery, HD ka lang. Kung mas gusto mo mas magandang display mo, go for Ultra HD. This is available lang sa mga medyo mas flagship level na smartphone ni Vivo. No? By the way, ito suggest ko mag-smart adaptation ka for screen refresh rate para hindi masyado matakaw sa battery. And other things you can paglaruan nyo is of course yung mga ultra game mode niya, mag-install ka ng mga games mo, and system upgrade kung ano. I'm sure meron niya kasi bago lang. Parang kanina nag-prompt na siya. Ayan, meron na siya. You can download and install. Meron lang. So, as easy as 1, 2, and 3. So, yeah, I guess na rundown ko na kayo everything that you need to know sa inyong Origin OS 6, how to install properly. So, kung meron kayong katanungan, just pop it in the description box below. Or, I mean, if you have any question, just pop it sa comment section below. And, ayun. So, kung meron kayong mga gustong pagawa sa akin ng mga tutorial, hopefully, meron ng mga phones na yun. And just comment it below. Let me know. And until then, I'll see you on the next video.